Welcome to Sujatha Kitchens. Today I am going to show you a dessert of Kalakand. It's very easy and simple. Here the ingredients was not shown. Directly the process was done. For the detailed description, you can have a look in the description box. First, in a mixing bowl, we are going to take 8 tablespoons of butter. Now we are going to melt it. After melting the butter, we are going to add the 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of milk powder here. These you need to take in a big bowl so that it won't be split on outside. Ricotta cheese, we are taking the whole milk. This we need to add the 2 cups. Now we are going to add the condensed milk here. So we all took in everything in the same measurement. Everything in 2 cups. 2 cups of the cheese and the milk powder and the condensed milk. Now we are adding the 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix it gently. It's very easy. Just we need to mix all the ingredients here. Cheese, condensed milk and the sugar. Sugar we took only 1/4 cup, and then we took a milk powder 2 cups. Now we are going to keep this for 13 minutes. In middle, just we need to mix it again. So once we finish the doing like 13 to 16 minutes of baking, we are going to add the ilachi powder at the last. So it's going to get the nice aroma of this. Then you can transfer it in a bowl. In a bowl, you need to take grease this. Then max you need to keep only 13 to 16 minutes. So it's so soft. On this, whichever the shape you take, it will be in that. It takes like around 1 hour to rest. Then afterwards you can cut into the pieces. On the top we can garnish with dry nuts. Rest it for 1 hour. So Kalakand mixture was taken in a bowl. So I was cutted the pieces and garnished with the cashew and the chopped pista. Just try it and enjoy the dish.